Hello everyone, Sweetness here. I'm back with another video. Once again, thank you guys for supporting me as always. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be posting. You know what it is? Posting. Right, guys? Anyways, so this video is just basically letting you guys know about my husband's hair. The hair journey that he's been going on with for the past couple months. We went to Jamaica in September, and now it's 2019 January, so it's been a couple months and I'm getting used to it. I'm enjoying the process of, you know, his journey, to be honest. And yeah, as you guys can see, his hair from like how it started. I'll show you like a before picture, and this is how it looks now. And you know, it suits him. He honestly loves it. It turns on his sexy. He thinks, you know, all the ladies loves it. Even men has been, you know, complimenting him on his hair. A lot of people thinks it's real. It's actually real. They're authentic locks. But you know, and the story was that when we went to Jamaica, you know, he did tell his mom that he wanted to lock his hair. His mom said that, you know, she had her hair in locks for the past couple of years. I'm not too sure how many years. She cut them off like a year ago, and she said she had them in her veranda just sitting down. So he said, you know, can I have them? So she said, sure, you know, because he explained to her that, you know, I was even thinking about putting in somebody else's locks in my head. She said, you might as well have your mother's locks in your head, which I thought it was a good idea. When I seen her locks, I'm like, this will look really nice on him. So I seen my my boss lady attach some locks to a client's head, and that's how I was able to incorporate that onto my husband's head. And the turnout was wonderful. He loves it. I love it. In the beginning, it took some time to get used to, but now when I look at my husband, I'm like, ooh, that's my baby. He's my honey bunny, and he looks wonderful. He looks handsome, and it suits him very much. And I know he loves it because he can't stop looking at himself in the mirror. But yes, guys, so if you have a husband or your boyfriend and you want them to have a different look, like us ladies, we have different hairstyles all the time. Get your man to like change his new look or something like that. There's man weaves, there's so many others, there's so many things out there that they can do. But if you guys love his hair and you think I did a wonderful job, make sure you thumbs up this video. Comment down below and let me know how you feel, and would you ever do this to your hair? You know, maybe later on in the future, or would you recommend this to somebody if somebody wanted locks? But not everybody. There's pros and cons, and everybody says, you know, some people will say like they would rather go through the process of starting fresh and growing their own, or whatever the case is. But everybody has their own, like, you know, whatever they want to do. But anyways, this is what my husband wanted to do, and it looks wonderful. It looks great. And yeah, so subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I love you guys, and I thank you guys for being there for me. And yes, love you. Bye.